Cherokee.
Cherokee Bake Shop.
Late in the evening, she's wondering what's close to win. Falls on her mirror, brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, and I say, you look wonderful tonight. Good to a party, and everyone thought to see this beautiful lady walking around with me, and then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Thank you so much, Araneta. Ate Victoria.
Next is our very own multi-talented.
Next is, we have Kim for Colors of the Wind. Sorry.
Think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or ask the grinning pumpkin why he grins? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you never know. And you never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, whether we're white or copper skin. We need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. Need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still on the earth until can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Ako na di ay.
Pasensya.
Me welcome.
Pasensya, Tagalog mugod siya.
Naman mo si ate.
For my Lola and Bayot.
Oh, wow.
Sa hindi inaasahan, pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nagduto, damang-dama na ang uunito. Di pa ba sapat ang sakit ang lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinuhugyan ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. Ba't di papatulan ang pagsuyong ng kulang? Tayong umaasa, hilag at kanluran. Ikaw ang kantungan at bilang kanlungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. Saan nga ba patungo? Kaya bakit nahihiwagaan na ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ako sa init ng bisig mo? Ba't di pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Di pa uubayan na lang ba to sa hangin? Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo. Ba't di pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Ipauubayan na lang ba to sa hangin? Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo. Oh, 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 oh.
Thank you, Charlie. You can go home now. Next is from the animated film Frozen. I did enjoy. Let It Go. Sorry. Salong hindi. Let Her Go. Santi. Oo, let her go, let her go. Diba?
Very low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love Only know even I can feel love. Only hit the road but you're missing home. Only know you love her. Let go. Staring at the bottom of the line, hoping one day you'll never realize your dreams don't stop and you both so fast. You see it when you close your eyes, so maybe one day you'll understand why everything in time won't die. Only need a life that's very low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her, let it go. Only know you've been high when you feel low. Only hit the road but you miss it cold. Only know you love her, Staring at the ceiling in the dark, same old empty feeling in your heart. Stuff comes up and it goes so fast. See when you cross deep, but never to touch and never to keep close, the love is too much to die with you. But you only need a light when it's my love. Only need the sunrise, stars to know. Only know you're longer than you know.
Ay, wala itong part nga. Let her go. Let her go. Ano kong gihuwatan? Can't hold it back. What you? Wala ito. Nag-joke na. Okay, sige. Last but not the least, sa, kung saan siya nga song? Rapunzel Tangle. Muna siya ka ito. Adili. Frozen de Gato. Kuwan daw siya petrified. Terrified. Siya na po. Siya na terrified. Ha? 45. 45? Sige.